The X-Rite MetaVue is a state-of-the-art spectrophotometer for color matching. When properly taken care of, the MetaVue will provide accurate and consistent color matching. One of the most common issues experienced with the MetaVue is the measure button being grayed out when attempting a color match or during the first or second half of the calibration procedure. This is a built-in feature of the MetaVue to prevent inaccurate reading or bad calibration. During the calibration process or when performing a color match, the MetaVue is checking that the lenses and calibration plaques are free from dirt, debris, and paint buildup. If the MetaVue detects any contamination during the first or second half of the calibration process or when attempting a color match, it will gray out the measure button. Cleaning the optics, calibration plaque, and target window daily will ensure proper calibration and accurate matching.
To clean the unit, you can use alcohol and a lint-free cloth or the supplied Sightsaver lens cleaning wipes. First, flip the unit on its back and push the target window down to expose the optics. Clean all the lenses with the alcohol and lint-free cloth to ensure there are no smudges, dust, dirt, or debris on the lenses. After the lenses are cleaned, pull the calibration tray back into position and set the unit upright. Pull the calibration tray forward and rotate to the white square calibration plaque. Inspect the plaque and clean with alcohol to remove any contamination. You will also notice a small hole in the calibration plaque. Take special care to ensure this hole is not clogged with debris. Use a small paperclip or tool to clean the hole if necessary.
After the white square calibration plaque has been cleaned, push the calibration tray back to the target window position. Clean the white tabs on the left and right side of the target window with alcohol. Also ensure the small white lip around the outer edge of the target window is clean. Use a Q-tip and alcohol if needed. Make sure to inspect the sides of the tabs for contamination or paint buildup, along with the bottom of the target window. After you have completed the cleaning process, attempt to calibrate the unit again. If the measure button on the first half of the calibration procedure is still grayed out, check the lenses and white square calibration plaque for contamination. If step 1 of the calibration process completes successfully, but step 2 is grayed out after rotating to the target window position, then inspect that the white tabs on the left and right and small white lip around the outer edge is clean.
Also, make sure the sides of the tabs and bottom of the target window are clean. Then attempt to calibrate again. If the MetaVue still fails to complete calibration, try power cycling the unit by unplugging the power cable from the unit for 30 seconds, then plug the power back in and attempt the calibration process again. X-Rite recommends you clean your MetaVue unit daily. Follow these steps for cleaning to ensure trouble-free calibration and accurate matching.